Adding, editing, deleting geometry in real time. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add, edit, and delete geometry in real time. The files are listed when my Shared Files option is clicked from the File Actions menu on the left menu. The file to work on the list is added to the map. Adding, deleting, and editing geometry on the file is transmitted to other shared users in real time. In the information transmitted to other users, which action taken by whom can be displayed. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.